Hey everyone, if HandBrake is not saving your converted video like the encoding finishes but the file never appears, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake not saving converted videos so you don't lose your work. First, check your output folder location. Sometimes the file is saved somewhere different than expected, so always confirm the correct save path before anything else. Next, make sure your file name is correct. I mean, always include a proper extension like .mp4 or .mkv so the system can recognize it. Check your disk space as well. Low storage can prevent HandBrake from saving the final output even if encoding completes successfully. Avoid saving files in protected folders like program files. I mean, use simpler locations like desktop or videos to avoid permission issues. Try running HandBrake as administrator. This helps fix access restrictions that may block file writing or saving. Also check your antivirus or security software. I mean, sometimes it silently blocks or removes the output file after encoding. And finally, update or reinstall HandBrake if nothing works. Corrupted installation files can completely break the saving process. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake not saving converted videos. Follow each step carefully, and your files should appear correctly every time. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions.